Trying to unlock your peak physical performance or fix a wrecked sleep schedule usually feels like an endless guessing game, especially when typical smartwatches constantly distract you with buzzing wrist notifications and text alerts. The Whoop 5.0 activity tracker completely flips the script on personal health by ditching the screen entirely to focus 100% on raw data, recovery, and actionable human optimization. It is a sleek, zero-distraction biometric powerhouse designed for anyone who wants to understand their body's true limits and build sustainable, high-performance habits. The most refreshing thing about this design is that it doesn't treat your body like a machine that resets at midnight. Instead, it tracks your biometrics 24/7, sampling your data an incredible 26 times per second, to break your life down into 3 simple, interconnected metrics: sleep, strain, and recovery. Every single morning, the app delivers a personalized recovery score in a crystal-clear green, yellow, or red zone based on your heart rate variability, resting heart rate, and respiratory health. It tells you exactly how prepared your body is to take on stress, so you know whether to crush a high-intensity workout or prioritize a rest day. Where this upgraded 5.0 generation absolutely leaves older fitness trackers in the dust is its revolutionary power efficiency. While most advanced wearables require a charge every day or 2, this ultra-slim band delivers a massive 14+ days of continuous battery life on a single charge. When it finally does come time to juice up, you don't even take the band off your wrist. You just slide the included waterproof, slide-on wireless power pack right over the sensor while you're working, relaxing, or even taking a shower, keeping your data collection completely uninterrupted 365 days a year. The software acts like an elite personal coach living right on your phone. For female athletes and fitness enthusiasts, it features advanced, deeply personalized menstrual cycle insights. Instead of just tracking a calendar, Whoop maps your training recommendations, strain tolerance, and sleep needs directly to your fluctuating hormonal phases, so you can optimize your output across your entire cycle. It even factors in a comprehensive health span layout, analyzing key physiological biomarkers to calculate your biological age and give you tailored lifestyle adjustments to help slow down your rate of aging. Your purchase comes fully loaded with a 12-month membership access pass, the lightweight 5.0 hardware module, a premium, breathable SuperKnit band, and the upgraded waterproof, wireless charger pack. If you are ready to cut through the noise of traditional screen-heavy smartwatches, get truly scientific about your recovery, and let real-time physiological data dictate your daily potential, this tracker is the ultimate standard. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you prefer tracking your workouts screen-free, and I will see you in the next video.